This video how to group elements on Wix, which makes it easier to manage multiple design components at once. Click on one element. Hold Shift and click on additional elements you want to group. Alternatively, click and drag your mouse over multiple elements to select them all at once. Once the elements are selected, you'll notice a toolbar at the top. Click on Group Elements. This will bundle the selected elements into a single, movable group. After grouping, you can modify the layout of the elements. Use the alignment tools to align elements, left, right, center. Distribute the elements evenly. Match size to ensure the selected items are uniform in size. Now that the elements are grouped, they will move as a single unit. However, you can still select individual items within the group for fine-tuning. You can also apply animations to the entire group at once. If you need to work on elements individually again, click on the group and select Ungroup Elements from the toolbar.